Step into your home and take a deep breath. What you're inhaling is more than just air. It's a microscopic ecosystem teeming with invisible residents. While we often worry about outdoor pollution, the air inside our homes can be just as, if not more, concentrated with contaminants. This is where the modern air purifier steps in, acting as a silent guardian for your lungs. In the competitive world of home wellness, two names consistently rise to the top: Levoit and Shark. Both have earned their reputations by promising cleaner, fresher air. But they approach this shared goal with distinct philosophies, technologies, and designs. Choosing between them isn't just about picking a device. It's about deciding which brand's approach to air purification best aligns with your home, your health, and your lifestyle. Today, I will dissect every facet of these two air quality titans to help you make an informed decision.
Filtration and Performance. Levoit purifiers are widely recognized for their implementation of true HEPA filters, which are engineered to the industry standard of capturing 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns. This includes the most common household irritants like dust, pollen, and pet dander. Their standard 3-stage system is a proven workhorse for improving indoor air quality. Shark also utilizes true HEPA filtration, but often enhances its systems with additional features. Some Shark models are described as having more comprehensive filtration systems, potentially capturing a wider array of pollutants. For instance, their never-change HEPA filter boasts the ability to capture 99.98% of particles, a minute but notable increase. Furthermore, this system includes a robust debris defense mechanism designed to trap larger particles like hair and dust before they can clog the main filter, thereby extending its life and maintaining performance.
Real-world performance. While specifications on paper are important, real-world tests reveal how these technologies translate into tangible results. In a head-to-head comparison conducted in a 194-square-foot room, both the Levoit and a Shark purifier were run at maximum speed for 60 minutes. The results were remarkably close, yet distinct. The Levoit Core 300S succeeded in improving the air quality by 94%. The Shark HP 102 was just behind, achieving a 92% improvement in air quality. Both of these results are outstanding, demonstrating impressive power. It is worth noting that the Shark HP 102 was tested in a room larger than its officially recommended size, making its 92% figure particularly impressive. However, in this specific test, the Levoit model showed a slight edge in raw particle removal efficiency.
Room coverage and airflow. A crucial differentiator between the two brands is their target room size and clean air delivery rate, or CADR. CADR measures how quickly a purifier can exchange the air in a room. Generally, Levoit models are geared towards small to medium-sized spaces, with coverage typically up to around 400 square feet. This makes them ideal for bedrooms, nurseries, or home offices. Shark, on the other hand, often builds machines with larger spaces in mind. Their purifiers can cover areas up to 1,200 square feet, and some models are engineered to purify spaces as large as 1,400 square feet. Correspondingly, Shark purifiers tend to have higher CADR ratings, meaning they can circulate and clean the air in a large living room or open-plan space more rapidly than many competing Levoit models.
Noise levels. Direct comparison tests reveal a fascinating trade-off between the two brands. Both the Levoit Core 300S and Shark HP 102 feature 4 fan speeds, allowing for a direct comparison. At the lowest speed, the Levoit Core 300S is whisper quiet, producing just 41.4 decibels dBA of sound. The Shark HP102 is negligibly louder at 41.7 dBA. At these settings, both are unobtrusive background hums, suitable for a quiet room. At maximum speed, the dynamic shifts dramatically. The Levoit Core 300S ramps up significantly, producing a loud 65.2 dBA. In stark contrast, the Shark HP102 is much quieter at its highest setting, measuring only 56.5 dBA. This data suggests that Shark has invested in a motor that is better optimized for quiet operation at high power. If you plan to run your purifier on high to quickly clean a room, the Shark will be far less disruptive. If your priority is the quietest possible operation in sleep mode, the Levoit has a marginal, almost imperceptible edge.
Filter lifespan and replacement frequency. Levoit filters are typically estimated to last about 6 months, though some models, like the Core 300S, have a stated lifespan of 6 to 8 months. This duration depends heavily on the air quality in your home and how often the unit is run. Shark filters often have a slight durability advantage, with an estimated lifespan of 6 to 12 months 8. This longer window can mean fewer filter purchases over the years. However, the most significant innovation in this area comes from Shark's Never Change line. These models are equipped with a filter system designed to last up to 5 years. This is achieved through the Debris Defense Pre-filter, which protects the main HEPA filter from premature clogging. Design and smart features. Levoit excels at integrating smart technology for user convenience. Select models, like the Core 300S, can be controlled via a smartphone app, offering real-time air quality data and remote adjustments. This connectivity extends to voice commands through platforms like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, adding a layer of hands-free convenience. Levoit also pays attention to small details that enhance the user experience. For example, some models come with an aromatherapy pad, allowing you to add essential oils for a pleasant scent, a feature not typically found on Shark purifiers. Shark's standout feature is its Clean Sense IQ technology. This is not just a sensor, it's an intelligent, automated system. It continuously monitors the air for particles of various sizes, including PM1, PM2.5, and PM10, and displays the real-time air quality. More importantly, it uses this data to automatically adjust the purifier's fan speed. When it detects a drop in air quality from cooking smoke, dust, or pollen, it ramps up power to quickly clean the air, then returns to an energy-efficient mode once the air is clean again. Some Shark models feature an odor neutralizer technology that releases a light, fresh scent, directly competing with Levoit's aromatherapy feature, but with an automated approach. So, which purifier is right for you? After dissecting their performance, noise, costs, and features, a clear picture emerges. Neither Levoit nor Shark is objectively better. They're simply better suited for different users with different priorities. Choose a Levoit air purifier if you prioritize quiet operation at low speeds, you want the highest possible particle capture efficiency, you enjoy smart home integration and manual control, your space is small to medium-sized. Choose a Shark air purifier if you value set-it-and-forget-it automation, you need to purify a large space, you need powerful cleaning without excessive noise, you want to minimize long-term costs and maintenance. Ultimately, the choice comes down to a personal calculation of needs.